Hello, my loves. Is crying normal during meditation? I just had my young friend reach out to me. I taught her how to meditate recently, and she's been meditating pretty regularly. And in today's meditation, I think she burst into tears. She was crying. And, like many of us today, she's navigating some real challenges in her world. And we don't always get to express them as they express our emotions about what's going on in our lives in the moment. And so we push them down. And when we push them down, they create trauma, emotional baggage. If you push them down enough, often and long enough, they can result in illness. So those are many of the reasons why I strongly recommend, promote, and encourage feeling your emotions. I believe we are here to feel our emotions and to have them fully, experience them, right? That our emotions are a beautiful part of the human experience. And so, but I digress. So back to crying during meditation. Is that normal? If you're doing it right, yes. And I'm kidding, half so, right? Okay, if you're sitting in meditation, in silent meditation, particularly, which is what I teach and strongly suggest and encourage, that'll give your body, mind, and emotions the opportunity to align and return back to homeostasis or normal, which often requires the release of pent up emotions that haven't been able to be expressed previously. So I just cried in meditation recently. Last week. I cry in meditation regularly. It's a release, okay? I've been promising what is release work for some time, and that's going to be coming in my Seek Your Soul masterclass. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but anyway, you'll know when it's going to be available. So that's going to be a part. I'm going to cover what is meditation, what is release work, and meditation is one way that you get to release pent-up negative emotions or trauma or just stuff that hasn't had the opportunity to release. And it's freeing, it's liberating, it's a release. So is crying during meditation normal? You betcha. You bet it is. So have you experienced this Hey, Shelly, good to see you. Have you experienced this in your meditation practice? Let me know. And if you're not meditating in silence and would like to learn how, I invite you to grab my free meditation starter kit. Just say meditation in the comments and I will give you the link. Okay? So I hope this serves you. I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, I'll see you in the gap. Much love.